What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video I'll be reviewing the Mplify series headphones. It's been a minute since I posted a tech review, that's why I thought I should make one. With that said, let's get started. So around the box we have some information about the headphones. I really like the design around the box. I hope I'll be as happy as this person over here with the headphones. In the meantime, let's open them to see what we have inside. When I open the box, I'm presented with the headphones on a stand, which is something I was not expecting at all. I really like the design on the holder. By the way, that was all that was in the box. Let's open the stand to see what the headphones look like. So the headphones is what I expected in terms of build quality. These headphones are made mostly of plastic and it feels like there's a decent amount of cushion on the cups. The cable length is okay, it is 1.2 meters long, which is not bad, but the cable is very thin. I've been using these now for about 3 months, and whenever I'm moving around, I'm always concerned about the thin cable which might snap at any time. The headphones come with a 3.5mm aux connector which fits perfectly into my phone and should work on most phones. The connection around the aux connector doesn't feel as solid as I would have liked it to be. The connection is very flimsy, and it's not just around the aux connector, it's also on the headphones itself. The connection feels weak, and personally this is a thing I look at whenever I'm buying a pair of headphones. The headphones come with a button with a mic. This is not the best mic, but it's good enough for calls. Anything more serious such as creating YouTube videos or having a professional Zoom meeting, I would advise you go look for another mic. Now this is how the audio sounds on my mic, and this is the mic that I use for creating my YouTube videos. And this is the audio on the Symphony mic. It sounds very different from my normal mic that I use for creating YouTube videos, but this is just a sample of what your audio will sound like if you were to have these headphones. The button does simple tasks such as play, pause and answer calls. Just the basic stuff, nothing too serious. One cool thing about these headphones is they are folding headphones, making them very compact. I mean, they fit into my pocket and take up to no space in my bag, which is a big thumbs up. Now let's test the sound quality. As I mentioned before, I've had these headphones now for about 3 months, and one more thing is that I bought 2 of these headphones and gave one to my brother and kept the other. What we both concluded from the sound quality is that the headphones should be louder, the bass is weak, there's no noise cancellation whatsoever. We were not surprised when we found out that the headphones do bleed. The cushion on the cups is not enough. They were hurting our ears after wearing them for a long time. So my brother and I came to the conclusion that we rate the overall sound quality 2 out of 5 stars. Now should you consider buy or avoid these headphones? You should avoid these headphones because the sound quality is not the best. I've tried using them in an online class, and trust me when I say, you do not want to do that. Both headphones are giving my brother and I aux problems, meaning that only one speaker works unless you jiggle the wire around. The overall build quality is not the best, and they are certainly not the most comfortable headphones. I wasn't expecting too much, taking into account that these headphones were under 100 Rand. Now that was my review of the Mplify Symphony series headphones, and that concludes this video. If you have any constructive criticism or any questions or anything, comment it below. Consider leaving a like and subscribing. Turn on post notifications to be notified when I publish a new video. Until next time, thanks for watching. Peace.